Is it hot in here or is it just me? I'm so
Hey you guys, so today I'm going to be giving you guys an eyebrow tutorial, and as you can see I've already done my left brow. We're going to go ahead and get started on this right brow. Yes, they're looking ugly, y'all. I already know, but they're going to be slayed by the end of this video. So the first thing I'm going to be using today is the NYX Micro brow pencil in the color Espresso. One end we have a spoolie and the other end we have the brow pencil. We're going to go ahead and brush out the brows, as you will be able to see here in a moment. Okay, so now I'm going to take the opposite end of my brow pencil and I'm going to use that and draw a bottom line on the bottom of my brow and a line at the top of my brow. I'm going to connect both of those lines towards the ending of my brow, and then I'm going to fill it in with some powder, which you'll see here in a moment. Okay, so now that I've got the shape that I want for my brow, I'm going to take this Smashbox dual-ended brush. One end it has shadow, the other end it has a brow and liner. I'm going to be using the brow and liner as well as some black eyeshadow, which I got from my local beauty supply store. Now, I know there's a lot of cons when it comes to using black shadow, but this is what I personally like to use for my brows. Use what you would like. This is personally just my personal preference. So I'm just going to take that brow shadow and I'm going to fill in my brows, filling in all of those gaps and less colored areas, which you'll see here. As you see here, I'm still filling in those brows, making sure I get an even brow compared to the other one. And now I'm going to go back and take my spoolie. I'm going to just brush out my hair follicles, making sure I got the ombre gradient effect thing going on. And we're just kind of comparing both of those brows, in which we already know that brows are not twins. They're definitely sisters, sometimes long lost sisters, okay? Okay, so now that I have the desired shape of my brows, we're going to go ahead and get to the concealing of the brows part. Now here I have an Urban Decay dual-ended brush. I'm not too sure what this brush is called, but I will link it in the description box below. And I'm also going to take my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the color Caramel. And I was trying to get it to focus here, as you guys can see, and I was just over it, y'all. I was over it. So I'm going to take the brush out of the NARS. I'm going to rub it onto the Urban Decay brush, the end that I use to conceal. I don't do anything too crazy in my concealer. I literally just conceal the bottom of my brow, the top of my brow, and I blend it out. Now you can do it however you choose. If you want to take it across to the other brow, however you want to tweak it and do it yourself, but this is how I personally do my brows. Okay, so here I'm just finishing up with that concealer, and I almost forgot to show you guys I used the other end to blend it out. Blend, honey. Yes, we got you. Blend, blend, blend it out. So I take the opposite end of the duo brush and I blend out the concealer, the top and the bottom. Here I'm just going back in with my spoolie and I'm just brushing everything out. You know, sometimes after you conceal, things can get a little crazy. And I'm just brushing out the opposite brow to make sure that both of those brows are even, or at least as even as possible. Mind you guys, it was nighttime, so I wasn't going anywhere. I was basically just filming this brow tutorial for you guys, and that was it for me. So at this point, I'm just basically going back over both of my brows, making sure everything is even, well blended, brushed out, filled in. And I'm going to be doing this for a minute, so you guys can just fast forward through this part. You can watch to kind of see how I tweak them again to my liking. Alright y'all, that's pretty much it. Here I'm going to be showing you all the products that I use. You can use as little as you like or more. I also am going to be picking up the LA Girl Pro Conceal. You can use any concealer. This is a pretty good concealer as well. If you don't have the NARS, you can use any concealer. But it just kind of depends. As you see me saying on whatever you like. And that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys so much. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And also click that bell to get notified when I post again. Love y'all. Peace.